Hi everyone, and welcome back to our Dev Apps Masterclass. In today's session, I'm going to walk you through the complete roadmap for this course, what exactly you'll be learning under Docker, Kubernetes, and Jenkins over the next 30 days. Whether you're a beginner or someone with basic Linux knowledge, this roadmap will help you build solid, real-world Dev Apps skills. Let's break it down tool by tool. Docker Roadmap. This Docker roadmap will help you understand what we are going to learn about Docker in the upcoming sessions, starting from the basics of containerization to building and deploying real-world applications. First, let's have a good understanding on the application architecture. Here, we'll explore how modern applications are structured and deployed. Life without Docker. We'll look at the traditional challenges faced during software deployment. Life with Docker. You'll see how Docker helps overcome those challenges with lightweight containers. Containerization fundamentals. We'll grasp the core idea of containers and why they revolutionized software delivery. Docker setup and installation. We'll walk through installing Docker and preparing your system for container work. Docker architecture. You'll get a breakdown of how Docker works internally, client, daemon, registry, and more. Working with Docker images. Learn how to pull, build, and manage the building blocks of containers, images. Docker containers. This is where you'll run, stop, and manage containers hands-on. Dockerfile, automation, and best practices. We'll write Docker files to build images automatically and follow industry best practices. Docker networking and volumes. You'll understand how containers communicate and how they handle persistent data. Docker Compose, multi-container applications. We'll work with Docker Compose to manage apps that require multiple services. Docker Swarm, native orchestration. This topic helps you understand how to scale containers across a cluster with Swarm. Real-world implementation. You'll get to apply everything learned in a practical project using Docker. Once we've mastered Docker, we'll move to Kubernetes, the most widely used container orchestration tool. This Kubernetes roadmap will help you understand how we'll move from running a few containers to managing thousands across clusters, covering everything from pods to advanced monitoring. What is orchestration? We'll start with understanding why orchestration tools like Kubernetes are necessary. Life without Kubernetes. You'll see the difficulties in managing containers manually at scale. Life with Kubernetes. Understand how Kubernetes solves scaling, deployment, and resource management. Kubernetes introduction. We'll introduce you to Kubernetes and its major use cases. Kubernetes architecture. This will give you clarity on the components that power a Kubernetes cluster. Kubernetes setup on Linux. We'll learn to set up Kubernetes on Linux and get a glimpse of EKS for cloud deployments. Pods. You'll work with pods, the smallest deployable unit in Kubernetes. Services. Understand how services expose your applications inside and outside the cluster. Namespaces. Learn to organize and isolate resources using namespaces. Deployments. You'll manage updates and rollbacks with deployments. Stateful sets. This helps when dealing with apps that need persistent identities or storage. Daemon sets. We'll look at how to ensure specific containers run on every node. Config map and secrets. Understand how Kubernetes manages environment-specific configuration and sensitive data. Helm charts. You'll learn how Helm simplifies app deployment and versioning in Kubernetes. Horizontal Pod Autoscaler, HPA. We'll automate scaling of pods based on real-time resource usage. Monitoring, Grafana plus Prometheus. Monitor your apps and clusters with industry-standard tools. You'll go from zero to deploying real applications on Kubernetes by the end of this module. This Jenkins roadmap will help you learn continuous integration and continuous delivery deployment from the ground up, automating build, test, and deployment pipelines like a Dev Apps Pro. Build and deployment fundamentals. Here, we'll break down what happens when code is built and deployed. Challenges with manual processes. Understand why automation is critical for speed, reliability, and team efficiency. Automated build and deployment benefits. Explore how automation reduces errors and improves delivery cycles. Jenkins introduction. Get to know Jenkins and its role in continuous integration and delivery. Jenkins setup on Linux. We'll install Jenkins and configure it for the first time. Creating Jenkins jobs, freestyle projects. You'll create your first Jenkins jobs to run automated tasks. Tools configuration. We'll connect Jenkins with Git, Maven, Docker, and other tools you'll use daily. Plugin management. You'll discover how plugins extend Jenkins to support virtually any toolchain. User management and role-based access. Set up user permissions and roles to secure and scale your Jenkins usage. Advanced job types. Go beyond basics with parameterized jobs and build chains. Master-slave architecture. Learn how Jenkins handles distributed builds with agents. Pipeline as code. We'll write Jenkins files to define repeatable, version-controlled continuous integration and continuous delivery deployment pipelines. Email notifications. Set up alerts and build result notifications via email. Backup strategies. Learn to secure your Jenkins environment with backups. Logging, Elk Stack. We'll use the Elk Stack to collect and analyze Jenkins logs effectively. Final words. At the end of this course, you'll understand and build containerized applications with Docker. Orchestrate and scale those containers using Kubernetes. Automate builds and deployments using Jenkins. Apply all concepts with real-world use cases and project demos. This roadmap is carefully structured to build your Dev Apps skills step by step with hands-on experience. Still have questions? Drop them in the comments or join our live sessions. If you're ready, let's dive in and begin mastering these critical Dev Apps tools.